How to set up recurring payments on Trading 212. Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up recurring payments on Trading 212. First, open the Trading 212 app, log in with your credentials, and ensure your account is verified. Now, tap on the menu or account icon at the bottom of the screen to access account settings. Navigate to Manage Funds or the Payments or Deposit Funds section inside the app. Here, select Deposit Funds and pick your preferred funding method: debit card, bank transfer, etc. Enter the deposit amount you want to add to your Trading 212 account. Then, look for the option to set up a recurring deposit or auto invest and enable it. Choose the frequency of payments: weekly, weekly, or monthly based on your investment plan. After that, review the details including payment method, schedule, and amount before confirming. Confirm the setup and your recurring payments will be automatically processed on schedule. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.